Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we will take a look at problematic refrigerator noises that could indicate that you may need to hire a technician, and fast.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
While we've covered in another video some refrigerator noises that are common and nothing to worry about, today we'll be taking a look at some problematic noises. If you detect any of these, you may wish to call a service technician out soon. Number 1. A clicking noise coming from the back of the refrigerator that lasts 2 to 3 seconds. This sound may occur every 3 to 5 minutes. Sometimes you may see the lights dim as your refrigerator is trying to start the compressor. If this condition occurs, that clicking noise may be the overload, which is a safety device that protects your compressor assembly. This clicking noise is telling you that the compressor is not running and is trying to start. Without the compressor running, refrigerant cannot be pumped through the fridge, and your fridge will stop cooling. If this happens, you may need a technician immediately to determine why your compressor is not running. Number 2. A loud noise coming from the freezer section. This is a good indication that there is ice or frost buildup on your evaporator coil. In this situation, the ice buildup could cause the evaporator fan motor to eventually stop running. The noise that you hear is actually the fan blade hitting against the ice. This could eventually cause your refrigerator to stop cooling. Number 3. A loud squealing noise coming from the back of the refrigerator. This squealing noise could indicate that your condenser fan motor's bearing is going bad. If it's not corrected, the fan motor will stop, and the compressor will overheat and shut off, and again, causing your refrigerator to stop cooling. If you hear any of these sounds, don't wait till your food spoils, call out a technician to examine the situation. And if this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.